Where you at?
Gain the whole world and lose my soul. I don't wanna gain the whole world and lose my soul. Desensitized
Put your hands in the air, y'all. Come on.
Hey, how do I sensitize it? It's hypnotizing me from
Step with me.
eternity. How do I sensitize it? Dehypnotizing me from the letting me
Jump
burn.
in. Yeah.
Go home and lose my soul.
It's on record.
Let's go. Go on your way.
Go back. Back
Come
up.
back.
Go on your way.
Come back. Get him there.
That's you.
Only the moon bounce fell on me.
The what?
The moon bounce.
To the court. I am going inside. Guys, look, that's who is.
Oh yeah, go let record me them now.
Escort. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni record yín o. Forget you.
What's the score? What's the score? No. Ball.
Uncle, that was
Sancho, I love you. Because action on Bombay.
Yeah, I know.
We need your pass. Give me
You see the soup? Yeah, I lost something better. No, it's not better. See the soup? Our left-handed cook is cooking it. She has been cooking some delicious delicacies.
Okay.
Hold on. Some delicious delicacies from my good side. Delicious delicacies all day.
Okay.
Over here, please.
Okay.
This is. Wait, I'm coming. You see this?
Yes.
Poor animals. 3 goats. People like you that are filming us will eat it. May their soul rest in peace.
Amen. Thank
Oh
you.
yeah, over here. Our president pretending to be working. There you go.
Pretending.
Over here. There you go.
I'm
trying to give this cover. So thank you, sir, for coming. It was a pleasure.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, sir, for coming. It was a pleasure. Oh yeah. The mother of my future husband. Mother of my future husband. Over here. She has been helpful. By sitting down.
By sitting down.
Yeah, but she has been helpful. So thank you, sir. I think we've introduced everybody.
Thank you so much.
Hello. Hi, my name is Tolu.
Okay.
Okay, and I attend Celestial Church of Christ, Voice of Grace Parish, and tomorrow we're going to be celebrating the harvest of the believers. If you're a believer, please say, I believe. I believe. Excuse me. This is what we call dodo. I've got dodo. It's spelled D-O-D-O. If you don't wash your body, this is my first meal today.
Okay.
What have you eaten today?
One is the magic number.
What have you eaten today?
One is the magic number. Esteem as high as it yourself. That's scripture.
Tonight.
No, it's 10. I had 9 before.
See, I'm done with you guys.
I said I've been for it.
Observe a fallen one.
Excuse me, Tinker.
What happened to that chicken? Why is there blood all over his hands? Look at the animal in his natural habitat.
Oh yeah, observe. Oh yeah, observe. Look at his face.
Look at his cold, lifeless eyes.
Oh yeah, look at his eyes. Yeah. Look at his hands.
She will walk away.
How long have you been barbecuing today? 55 minutes. Okay.
He's been barbecuing his whole life.
Okay, look at you. But you're doing a great job. God will continue to enrich your hands. Amen. God will continue to give you ayo, ati blessing. Woo!
Yeah, this is basketball. It's the game, and I don't know the rest of the lyrics. All right.
Let's go. Easy.
Seven, you're 6'4". Get out of here. What do you want?
Close your mouth.
Hey. Sugar banana. Ew. I have nothing else to say.
Why should go?
That is to say that I ate corn during this is the only thing I'm eating for the first time though.
Because he came late, that's why.
No, Joe, you see what is going on? Because of this corn I'm eating now, see how it's feeling me. That the air, bro. I saw him eating.
It's true. Everybody's working and you are eating.
No, you don't do it. Let them work. No, that
They say they're not going to see for your mouth. Now eat fast. I'm good to eat. See me, you eat.
Oh.
Let's see how much you can lift it. Let me see how much you can lift it. Watch this. I'm gonna fake like I'm going here, but I'm really gonna go here. You ready? Go! Okay.
Ayo!